Hey everyone, so today we're over at Pinewood Place, which is located over in Orange Park. Nice community here by KB Homes. We're going to go and do a walkthrough of the two different models that they have here, and I'm supposed to wear a mask, so that's why I have that on. We're going to go into the two-story house now. Beautiful home. Got a nice little entryway here. This is great because you have a little linen coat closet. Very large open space here. Good size room. Coming straight in from the entryway. It has the plank looking flooring. I'll get a little closer for you. Large living space going in, flowing into your dining room. This one's going to have an upgrade of the granite countertop. Very attractive. Good sized kitchen. 42-inch cabinets in this one. If you missed the other video, there was 36-inch cabinets in the other. This is going to have an upgrade on the Whirlpool refrigerator. This has a microwave, stove, you have the dishwasher, and again you have a spot over here in the kitchen that is kind of neat that you'll be able to charge your phones, leave them on the counter there while you're charging. It depends on where you're going to put your TV. If you're going to put your TV over on this side, or maybe here, or here, you still have room to do things. Let's continue looking downstairs, and you have a half bathroom, very attractive. And then this is a large laundry room for what you have. And then that's basically going into the garage. I'm not going to go into that right now because they're currently working on things over there. And you have, I kind of nicknamed this little like thing, it's called a Harry Potter closet. It's the closet below the stairs. Now of course this one here is slightly different because there's the stairs, but you end up entering it from the opposite side. So something that KB Homes has is of course smart features, including the Ecobee thermostat sensors. You'd be able to use all your smartphone stuff and everything else with it. This one here's got speaker systems in it. It does not come standard. It does have the low E filtered windows, so you put your hand on the window, you're not going to feel the heat coming in. Currently it is not very hot outside. It's about 83, 84 degrees, but it feels, just by doing that, it feels the same as it does on the inside of the house, which is 73 degrees according to the thermostat. So let's go ahead and go upstairs. Carpeted all the way up. Come up here, and again you can kind of see what type of energy savings you're going to be able to use in the home. And again, there's a second thermostat up here. This has a loft up here, which is really nice. So like you have friends and family over, you can entertain downstairs while the children or somebody else is up here, or you can entertain up here, somebody else can entertain down there. So let's go take a look at the master first. As we go through, good size master, probably like a 15 by 20. I'd have to get the exact dimensions and I'll put it on the link. Here is the master bath. You have the double sinks, and again, Corian countertops. Really attractive. Frosted window, of course. You have a tub shower combo in this one, and there's the water area. Good size linen closet. Pretty sure you could probably install a little bit more shelving in there. This is going to have the tile on it, so it is not the three-piece typical builder's type on the inside. Another good size walk-in closet. The ladies would love this, or people who have a lot of clothes. Very good size. I'm going to come back this way. And we're back to the second floor living space. Go into the spare bedroom. Very good size. You have a very nice large walk-in closet here. Gonna come back over. Let's walk to the other bedroom. Another good size. And another walk-in closet. Got a little hidden pocket over there, by the way. It's just got a little extra. Very nice. That's downstairs, air conditioner unit. And again, it has space for a double sink, but it only has one right now, so you still have the makeup counter idea. And you have, there's your typical shower tub combo that you have for the spare. Really good for people who have children that they need to give baths to, so really works out really good. Good size space. I mean, you still have 2 to 3 people in here to be able to get ready in the morning time or afternoon or evening. So let's go ahead and go back downstairs and we'll head to the back patio. As we come out, this is a very new facility, very new community. This one does not have a covered patio on this. There's the air conditioning in it. But it has a decent sized yard here, and that's a single story. You'll have to look for the video on that one. Very beautiful area. Nice part of Orange Park. You guys can see a little bit of the outside of the home. But this is Pinewood Place over in Orange Park. Very nice area, beautiful homes. This is KB Homes, so contact me if you want to know more information, if you're interested in knowing more about the properties or the community or anything else, or if you have any other questions, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate it.